Hi, I am Charles. This video will talk about insert HLOOKUP formula. Let's get started. HLOOKUP is used to look up data that were arranged vertically in rows. I have created a range name stock_list for the source data. I have created another range name product_lookup for cell C40. For convenience, I have created a data validation list and its source data is from row 32. Now, click on a cell. Then click on the Formulas tab. Next, click on Lookup and Reference. A drop-down menu will appear. Click to select HLOOKUP. The function arguments pop-up window will appear. Type product_lookup into this box. Then type stock_list in this box. Type the row index number into this box. For this scenario, I will type 2 because the data that I wish to retrieve are on row 2. If you are not clear about which row number, you can check the data for table array. Next, type false in this box if the data in the first row are not in alphabetical order. If the data in the first row are arranged in ascending order, then type true in this box. Then click OK. Now, this is the final formula. Click to select watermelon. And the quantity value will automatically display in the cell E40. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoy this video and have learned something today. Thanks for watching.